Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily Kaspa analysis. Or at least it's turning into a little bit of a daily Kaspa analysis, because we have to. All right, even this morning, Kaspa has reacted in a very bullish way to its support. Yesterday, what we talked about. I mean, yesterday we had already broken out in the morning. We even rallied a little bit higher. But what we said is that, all right, well, there's a bit of, we're probably going to find some resistance right here. It's minor resistance, right? It was based on this trend line. But also, Kaspa was also overextending quite a bit, and Bitcoin was at resistance. So that's why what we said yesterday is that, all right, well, Kaspa is obviously bullish. I mean, if you look at this market, if you look at this price structure, you need to almost be blind if you would call this bearish, all right? But there was a chance, especially when Bitcoin turned a little bit more bearish yesterday, ahead of the interest rate decision and the tension in the Middle East. There was a chance that Kaspa would turn bearish and that this would be a fake out. But what we saw earlier this morning, and that I wanted to zoom in on, is that the reaction we had to the first support level we reached. All right, so if you look at this, Kaspa broke above this level right here between 19.4 and 19.8 cents, arguably 20 cents. But I think technically this is the more accurate support level. So then what you expect when a coin is bullish, but the market is not that strong, is that we dip down a little bit lower, all right? That we dip down a little bit lower, that people are less eager to get into the price, and that from there we will rally back up. But no, Kaspa hit the first support level and immediately found strong support there. Also lined up relatively well with the support we have from Bitcoin right now, so that helps as well, of course. But no, that's why I have to be bullish on Kaspa here. Now, I do want to look at the open interest. I do want to look at the momentum. I mean, at some point of time, this is obviously going to stop, right? We cannot rally forever. And you can see, for example, right here, that we are putting in bearish divergences between the RSI and the price, and short term also the momentum in the price, as you can see. It's the momentum, the open interest is now lower than it was the last time around. So there's a bit of an imbalance, but the imbalance is not strong enough for me to say that we will stop rallying. I think if you look at the momentum, which is still very high, if you look at the technical situation right now, for example, well, first of all, a bullish structure, but also a very bullish reaction. Bitcoin is at support. So I think all the factors are lining up well for Kaspa to go up higher. The main resistance level, I would say, right now is around 20.75 cents. So that's 0.2075. That was the high we resisted at overnight. I think we're going up there. If we're able to break above that, I do think you need to keep an eye on that. But if we're able to break above that, I think we're going higher into 21.5 cents, 22 and 22.5 cents. Those are my main price targets. Let's say 22 cents is the main price target for now. A little bit conservatively speaking, but still. And this is what I expect. Now, I do think due to the technical bearish confirmations we've had in the market overnight, I do think you need to be careful, all right? It's never 100% certain that it will continue. But given the factors I talked about in this video, I think it's safe to assume that we will be bullish. Now, whether the risk reward adds up, whether it's interesting for you, those are all decisions you have to make for yourself. It's just that I do think that that will continue this move up. But keep an eye on Bitcoin. I mean, if Bitcoin crashes, obviously Kaspa is going to drop down as well. And that correlation we also saw yesterday, all right? So it is there. It's just weaker for Kaspa compared to other altcoins. So that's what I think. That's what I think is most likely for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.